Because it's not about how you do it, but why you do it. It's all about the house music, and it always will be.
Okay, I'm learning how to do selfies with the video camera. I'm trying to do it with the best camera that I have right now, which is on my Galaxy Note Edge. It by far beats all the rest of the cameras that I have. And so when you try to do a selfie, they have the front facing camera, which is not as clear as this rear camera that I'm using now. But I did want to get a very clear picture of what I'm doing. So today, this is my project I'm going to take on. I'm going to repair my Galaxy Note tab. I have this protective cloth here because I don't want to scratch things up while I'm trying to repair it. Anyway, it's brand new. You see, I don't even have the plastic. I haven't even taken the plastic off. And what had happened is that I had it in this case here. I bought this case on Amazon for 10 bucks. And I thought I had a great deal. But actually it didn't work out. This keyboard did not connect with this tab. But I did keep it in that case because that's the only case I had for it. And it wound up slipping out. This case is really better suited for an 8-inch tablet rather than a 7-inch, even though they promote it as accommodating both. But this clip here is just not, it doesn't grip the 7-inch strong enough in my opinion. And so I really wouldn't recommend it for a 7-inch tablet. And what happened, this tablet slipped right out, fell on the concrete, and oh, I have a boo-boo. And it also does affect video viewing, having that crack. And I haven't even had it a month, but I picked it up free during Christmas time. For Sprint had the deal, and I think they're still running that deal, where you can get the free tab, and can't beat free, but free goes out the window if you crack it. And that's what happened. I wasn't willing to pay the $100 deductible to replace it, and therefore I just went on and I bought the replacement screen for $15 on Amazon, which did include the tools to pry the case open. This also came with the screen, the replacement screen. So this particular brand or company included the micro screwdrivers and the pry tools to pry open the case to use this to install this replacement glass. And for 15 bucks, I'd rather try to do it myself. And if I don't succeed, I'll try again. And if I still don't succeed, then, well, I guess I'll give in to paying that really outrageous $100 deductible to Asurion for Sprint. But I think that I'm going to be successful. And I have confidence in my skills. I had purchased, prior to receiving this replacement, I had purchased a toolkit that also included the pry tools that you're going to need, and these little guitar, that's what some people call it, guitar tabs. But those tabs act as a way to hold the case open while you're taking the glass off. And I reviewed several I reviewed several videos, and basically you do need these pry tools and these tabs to keep the case open when you do begin the constructive surgery to repair your screen, which I saw it was very doable. And this is my challenge to myself, because I'm very handy with tools and stuff, and I have a background in computers, repairing computers. There's an open one now that I gutted. I took the parts out, and I'm going to be using it in my server. But today the focus is on the tab. I bought this kit from Amazon. I didn't know that I didn't really need to buy this, but I'm not disappointed in buying it, because it also includes a lot of other tools that I will and can use to repair other electronic components that I have. And so it wasn't really a waste of money. It was $14 for this whole kit, and I got a free gift along with it with some screen protectors, so it wasn't a bad deal. And then what also you will need to do the repair is a heat gun, heat tool. I got this Wagner SM-T217 heat tool for $15 also at Amazon.com. And so altogether, even with this toolkit that I didn't actually need, because I did get the toolkit included, it came included with the replacement screen. That's $15 plus $15 for the heat gun. And even if you do include the tools, the money that I spent on these tools, which I'll probably be using for something else in the future, that's only $45 as opposed to $100. And if you take off those tools, it's still really only $30. $15 for the heat gun and $15 for the replacement screen. So that's still only $30 compared to $100. Now, I know some of you will say, oh, no way, I'm going to try that. This video is not for you. These are for the people who are adventurous and tech savvy or handy with their hands and not afraid to try new things. I won't recommend this to anyone who is not. So if this video is of benefit to you, I would like for you to let me know in the comments. That's the best way to show you like my video and what I'm doing. And we all like to hear when something helps someone, and certainly that's the case for me. So I hope that I will be a success on this project, and I'm going to take you along each step of the process as I do it. So this is the introduction, and I'll come back, pick up where I left off with each step as I dissect this Galaxy tab and give it a new screen. Okay, I'm super excited about getting this on and crack-a-lacking. And the first step, I'm going to remove the plastic off the back of here, and hopefully that will go smoothly. And I'm just gonna let the camera roll because I'm not good at talking through the whole thing. That's kind of distracting to even myself. Part of the case off, and I didn't want to bore you with the whole process of it. So I'll say the struggling part off cam. Okay, so it seems to be coming along just fine. Coming on off pretty smoothly. Although I did chip the edge there. Little piece of that pry tool came off. So I'm gonna finish up with the, you want to use the plastic so you don't end up scratching and further causing damage to your device. So I started with the plastic tool, but it chipped, so I'm gonna go with the metal one and keep working my way around the edge there. Okay, that's the first step. Got that off, freed it up from the device itself. Okay, now the second step, as per the videos that I observed on YouTube, doing the same thing. The model that I have is the Galaxy Tab 3 model SM-217 217S. So if you have that model, you will be able to confidently do these steps. This is my first time doing it, so bear with me. I may be doing some things wrong, but I know that the next step is to take this battery component out, and for that you need the, I'm going to use my toolkit I bought with the micro type screwdrivers, because they are real tiny screws. So I'm going to remove them with this screwdriver. You see, it's a real tiny tip. That's why you need those kind of precision tools. So there's 4 screws that you have to release. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'd rather not bore you with the screwing process, so I'm going to pause it here and come back with it off. Okay, I succeeded in getting the screws off. So hopefully this will just be a matter of pulling this tab. Let's see. I want to free it up without damaging anything. So trying to lift it out. Okay, there it is. Okay. Show me how skilled you are at flipping and putting the 26 letters of the alphabet. Pretty easily. Make me lose control and of your creativity. Allow for me to wish I was the sheets of paper you rest your thoughts on. Voila. I got it out. Okay, that's the second phase, and I'm gonna lay it down over here to the side along with the screws to hold it in. I have that right there. That's why I'm doing it on this cloth, because this case right here is so slippery. That's a bad idea on Galaxy Tab part. The case is really slippery, and I advise any of you who get this model of tablet, you really need to have a probably invest in a rubberized type of case to protect it, because this is very slippery. It slipped out of my hand several times just in the process of me doing this repair. Okay, I have succeeded in removing the battery, and then the last and final phase will be to actually remove this screen, which will require some heat to loosen up the glue. And so I'm going to plug this in, and I'm using the Wagner heat gun. Some people use a blow dryer. I don't have a blow dryer. I don't really use a blow dryer, so I had to get the heat gun. You could actually achieve that using a blow dryer. Okay, so excuse me a moment. I'm going to plug up the heat gun and come back to the next step. Okay, now I have my heat gun ready, and I'm applying heat along the edges. To loosen up the glue. The glue that's adhering the digitizer. And wow, that gets very hot. So hopefully I don't have to do that too much. And I'm gonna use the pry tool and go along the edge and try to carefully remove the glass from the rest of the unit. So far it's cooperating with me. So far so good. Okay, and now at this point, the places where I loosen, I'm going to stick this tab in there to keep it open for me, so it won't go back, it won't stick back, although I think I would prefer to use a credit card. Go get a credit card. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna use some old SIM cards to hold my place where I removed the glue. Yeah, it's even sticking to the tool. So I'm gonna stick a credit card. This plastic SIM card in there. So I don't have to go over with the heat, because that heat gun is just pretty darn hot. And continue around it. be cooperating with me. Okay. Okay, still trying to show you the process here. Woo! You don't want to do that. I just shattered the whole thing. Glasses everywhere. Okay. Alright, just a moment. Somehow I knew that corner was going to give me a problem because it cracked in the corner. But the rest of it is coming off pretty nicely. And I just only got a little more ways to go. But you do have to be careful because that is glass. But don't let that intimidate. Don't let that intimidate you because it's doable. It's very doable. And I kind of already anticipated, an issue with that corner there. Phase. Let my people go. Bam! There it is. It's off. It's over with. The worst is over. Now I do have to get that, recover the button, that home button. Needs to go back there when I put the new screen on. Okay. That's me. I succeeded. Woohoo! Yay! Progress. That's what I call progress. I just had a little boo-boo shattering in the corner, but I kind of expected that because that's where it cracked. And lesson learned. go chuck this. We no longer need this screen anymore. And we're gonna put the new screen in. One moment. Okay, with that little shattering episode I had with the other screen, I'm so very glad that I had this cloth down, because now I can just wrap that up and move it out the way. No glass fragments to be concerned about. And I can just toss that. Okay, so the final phase is to clean the rest of the remaining glue off. And use a microfiber cloth and get that good and cleaned up. Ready to... Okay, so far so good. This is a great success. Here's the screws that came out of the back battery covering. The battery component. I'm going to set those aside. I put the screws in the back so I don't lose them. See, they're real tiny. Easy to lose. And the home button, I'm going to place back in the home button spot. And then I'm gonna use this microfiber cloth I got from my television. Clean that up real good so there are no remaining glue or fiber or dust or anything. And then go through the application process. Be back in a second. Okay, the last and final phase. I got it all cleaned up. You don't want any dust particles anywhere on the LCD screen, and otherwise they'll be forever trapped between your digitizer and the LCD monitor. So you want to keep that real clean. I took a razor blade and scraped up all the excess glue around the sides. And the kit that I have, and I can't guarantee that's what you'll get in your kit, but the kit that I'm using, the glue is already on the screen, the glass. So it's just a matter of removing the tab. You see there's one tab, and there's two. One is for the back and one is for the front. And you remove the back first, and then once you place it down on here, that's it. But I'm just showing you a trial run. You just drop it down on there like that. I'm doing that because I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, but basically I just wanted to show you what the next step was. I haven't removed the tab with the glued ends. Some people, you may get it doesn't have the glue in it, and in that case you will need to have this, something like this, where this is a roll of tape, a glue to fix devices. So I bought it just in case mine didn't have it. It's adhesive sticker tape and a microfiber cleaning cloth to repair it. I'm going to remove the film, protective film right here, and expose the glue that came with this. And since I can't do this with two hands, I only got one hand to hold the camera. When you see this again, it's going to be installed, but basically this is just going to go over that, and I'm going to make sure that the home key is lined up, and hopefully when I reconnect everything, it will come on. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, I got making sure that home button is straight. The final step. Okay, I thought I could do it with the camera on, but nope, I can't do it. I got the glass on. It's on, and I'm pressing all the edges where the glue is. Make sure that's nice and firmly on there. So far so good. And then the next step would be attach the digital connector to this little restful place here. That snaps right in. Okay, and I have it firmly in place, and if I am a success at this point, I should be able to turn this on. Success! Yes! I should be able to turn it on and it worked. I'm waiting for it to power up now. Hey, I did it. Hey, that's what's up. I have succeeded in replacing the glass. It's all new. And let's see if it works. Okay, I'm able to wake up the screen. Yes. Yay! I did it. Peace and love. I got it. Go ahead and do the whole deconstruct procedure backwards. I'm gonna put the screws back in, screw the battery back in. And there's 4 of them. Okie dokie. And that last step is to put that battery, attach it back to the connector here. It's just a snap in. It's no big deal. And then the last step is put the case back on. And now I have a brand new, spanking new, just snap everything back in. Spanking new, unbroken. That home screen, boom. Got that home screen, boom. Got that home screen, boom. Boom, that is. Boom, that is. Happy day for me right now. And I am so proud of myself. Peace and love. Bam! I did it. And you can too.
give a shit. I don't give a shit. We don't give a shit. Cause it's not about how you do it, but why you do it. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. We don't give a shit. Cause it's not about how you do it, but why you do it. It's all about the house music, and it always will be. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. We don't give a shit. Cause it's not about how you do it, but why you do it. It's all about the house music, and it always will be.